Am I the only one who didn't know that beginners can do like this in 2024?
Making money like this is totally doable with just $0 and a phone or a laptop to get started. In this video, we're going to cut through all of the hype and all of the beats.
Sounds good. So what's the first one?
So the first method that we're going to break down in this video will be freelancing digital content for creators. For example, thumbnails and videos. The first one is thumbnails. Thumbnails are something that every YouTube creator needs.
This is serious and it's a huge market, guys.
If you can't get people to click your video, you won't get a view. If you don't have a high quality thumbnail, you won't get a view, because there are people out there spending thousands of dollars on thumbnails, hundreds of dollars on thumbnails to just get one single click. So if you learn how to make valuable thumbnails, really high quality thumbnails, and you just lower your prices.
Okay, I have to disagree here. Lowering your price won't make you a lot of money. Keep watching. I will solve this problem for you.
Everyone else that's in the industry, you'll get way more work. For example, let's take this freelancer on Fiverr.com. He charges $200 for a thumbnail. If you can make his quality of thumbnail but only charge $100, that means that you'll get double the amount of clients because you're doing high quality work but for a lower price.
I personally recommend negotiate with your clients for performance-based commission for your work. This way, you don't have to cut up charging lower price.
The second method that you can use to make money online will be to make short form content.
I love it because short form content is exactly what we do to make $500 passive commissions. Keep watching. I will tell you how to get it 99% done for you.
Posted on sites like Instagram and TikTok. I made a bunch of different videos about this in the past because people have always been asking, like, how did you hit 200,000 on Instagram? How did you hit 230K, 250K on Instagram? I did that by reposting other people's content.
Now, step number 3.
My Instagram account has 250,000 followers on it. How much of that content did I create? Around 20%. Now I'll explain to you.
Okay, this is interesting, but I think it's going to a wrong direction.
If you go on, let's just say TikTok, and you find viral clips of like fails or creators doing videos or whatever, you download those videos with no watermark, you take them to Instagram, and you upload them as an Instagram reel. Instagram Reels has an algorithm just like TikTok's, just like YouTube's. As long as people watch your video from start to finish, they'll recommend it to more people. So I picked the most viral clips from TikTok, from Instagram even, and from YouTube Shorts, and
Don't follow this advice. This is outright illegal and unethical. No one should be doing this. If you really want to download and upload another creator's content, always give them proper credit. I wonder, is this guy going to accept if somebody steals his content? Do you think this whole process is simple and easy? I don't think so. That's why we don't do all these things. Freelancing, stealing others' content. We go and straight use a simple system to make our own content. And we publish our short form content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms send our video viewers to an automated funnel. This funnel does high ticket affiliate sales on our behalf, and when this guy make a purchase, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.